Welcome. My name's Kirsten. I'm EL's Principal Legal Advisor for Disputes, and today I'm joined by my colleague Jonathan.
And I'm the Legal Advisor in the Business and Property team.
We have joined forces today to talk to you about how our two areas of law align and how we work together, because when we're able to join forces and leverage our synergies, that's where you as the client get the most benefit.
Well, I do what we call or refer to as front-end law, and Kirsten does back-end law. So to explain the front-end law, basically that's the start. So the parties are getting along very well, they're happy, their goals are aligned, they're all on the same page, and it's just about documenting what they're wanting to achieve at that point.
So Jonna gets the happy side. I get the side where everything has gone sour. The money has disappeared or run out. No one is friends anymore. And contracts fallen over. It's a huge disappointing mess, and clients just want to get out of the deal now as cleanly and quickly as possible. With everything else in life, it's about planning and consistency. If you think about poor contract term formation, they act like cavities in your teeth. The same way lots of cake and sweets and good times can lead to small cavities in your teeth if you don't take that proactive care of them. Poorly drafted clauses at the beginning of the matter will sit quietly like cavities, unknown, and they can just worsen as they are undetected. And by the time a matter comes to me, and sticking with this dental analogy, it's working. By the time it comes to me, you're looking at a metaphorical root canal. Really expensive, really painful, and you're going to be a long time sitting in the chair. I only see the worst instances where clients have thought to save a few dollars at the beginning, and they've pulled a mishmash of clauses off of Google, or they've borrowed heavily from somebody else's business documents, and they just throw them all together. A lot of the time I see American clauses, and no disrespect to our American colleagues, but what works in America does not work in Australian and Queensland's jurisdiction, and it just confuses everybody.
So we offer a free business health check.
Yeah.
So 30 minutes to an hour for free, in case you missed that.
Yeah, I heard free. Free's great.
To sit down with business owners and talk about some structures, some documents, kind of get an idea of what you want to achieve, and then give you some helpful advice on how to implement it and how we can help in implementing it as well. And because we join forces and collaborate all the time, Kirsten can help sort of show us all of the things that work, the things that don't, how certain clauses are interpreted, and that improves our drafting. That means that we can be on the front foot in trying to negate any sort of bad interpretations of what we're drafting. So if you haven't already utilised, or even if you have, you're welcome to come back. Our free business health check service, please do so. We can help you with the planning, with the preventative tips and tricks and ways to implement some things that will ultimately stop you having to spend a lot more in the long run in court proceedings and in that sort of root canal comparison you made. And
if you have been a little bit dilatory and you have got a big legal problem, come talk to me. I'll help you with the big problem, but then I'll hand you over to Jonna to stop that and just make that your one problem rather than an increasing infection amongst the others. So there's things we can do to limit the damage on your one and prevent any others. So we'd love to see you. We're here. Talk to you soon.
Absolutely.
Bye.